know how I feel about it because I literally never do a ponytail. Last time I did a ponytail, I was, besides like when I go to the gym, which I rarely do it at the gym too. I'll like put my hair up in a half up, half down sometimes. I usually don't put my hair in a ponytail unless I'm jogging. But anyway, I want to show you guys the donuts that I got. Just put my hair back, put some perfume on. Today I put on a mix of like the most random perfume. I smell like a pie. I put on Tom Ford cherry and then I mixed it with my vanilla 28. I smell like a cherry pie. It's not like a bad smell, it smells really nice, but it's just a very random combination. I have a fragrance obsession. I don't know how I became this way. I used to be like normal and I had like just a couple of perfumes. I own so much perfume and it's not like, it kind of just accidentally happened this way. I didn't mean to hoard so many perfumes. I just think smelling good is like so important, and my favorite compliment is when someone asks me what perfume I'm wearing or tells me I smell good. So I don't know, I just kind of started collecting a bunch and now I have a giant perfume tray. I'm a perfume addict. Here are all of the donuts that I ordered. I guess there are 2 boxes, which I thought I ordered like 6. I don't know why there are 2 boxes, but here's box number 1. I tried to get like a good variation because everybody likes something different. First box, I got 2 of the 2 apple pie, which I'm such an apple pie fan, so sorry if you can hear my cat. 2 of the apple pie, 2 vanilla, and like a huckleberry berry donut, which sounds amazing. Those are the first ones that I got. And then the second box has, these are the cookies and cream. So recently I learned that my sister has like an Oreo addiction. And so I got these in honor of her Oreo addiction, and I will have one too. It looks really good. But my favorite thing with Sidecar is like trying a piece of every single one. So I'm really excited about the donuts. I was thinking of putting them in the cake stand, but my cake stand just doesn't have that much room, I feel like, for all of the donuts. We'll see. Okay, I am doing some morning skincare, which for me is honestly nothing crazy. It's really simple. You know that I swear by IS Clinical Cleansing Complex. I've been using this, I think, for like over a year. I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure. Been through bottles and bottles. It's amazing. I wake up and I wash my face with it, and then I use my Biologique Recherche P50, and this is like my holy grail product. Okay, I am currently getting ready for breakfast. I'm having people over and I'm just doing a little natural makeup, like a 5-minute super natural routine. I went on a morning walk. It said it was going to rain and it has been saying that all day, and it keeps pushing back the time that it says it's going to rain. So maybe we won't have a rainy day today. Yesterday we had a rainy day and it was so honestly cozy and nice, and I just love the rain. Starting off every single morning with chlorophyll water. I always have this before my coffee, so this is like my #1 favorite thing. And then this is the chlorophyll that I've been using. It's just the Mary Ruth's vegan drops. They're all, like all the chlorophylls that I've seen are minty, pepperminty flavored. So it's not unpleasant to drink. Like honestly, to me, it tastes like you're drinking like a pepperminty refreshing drink. So this is step 1 of having a healthy morning for me, and You're getting water in your system, you're getting chlorophyll in your system, you're getting all of the good things in before you go in with your coffee, which is important. You shouldn't just like straight up have coffee when you wake up. Now we're gonna make juice. So for my guests, I'm pressing fresh pineapple juice, and for myself, I am making my green juice. My juicer is from a brand called Nama that I will link. They have an amazing juicer. A lot of juicers don't actually keep the nutrients of the juice. This one actually keeps the nutrients in the juice, so what you're drinking is a nutrient-packed juice. I'm gonna start with my pineapple juice that I'm making for my guests. So all I do is pineapple, lots of pineapple. I usually cut it myself, but I was not in the mood, so I just picked it up from Bristol Farms and Whole Foods. I have these bottles from a hotel that I stayed at. I love glass bottles. I think they're very chic. And I usually just fill up the pineapple juice once I juice it in here. And here is our apple that we're going to add in. So I'm just gonna turn this on and start. Okay, I ended up adding an orange in for vitamin C as well, since everyone is getting sick right now. Whatever I have left in the juicer, I add ginger and I make shots. And they're wellness shots, they're very strong, but they are absolutely amazing. So I take about that much ginger. It's a lot, it's gonna make a lot of shots. So put it in there. Okay, my green juice is such an easy recipe that I wanna share. So starting off with pineapple, I do about all of this. Then you're gonna need mango. Again, all of these, you can buy these cut up at the market, which is so easy if you're on the go. 2 apples, not 1, but 2. A little piece of ginger, literally like that much ginger. And a lot of spinach. Okay, I am going to make a matcha chia pudding. Matcha chia pudding, we're gonna make it really quickly. Gonna start with some coconut milk in the bottom of my bowl. I make this in a big batch since everyone is gonna be having it. So I pour in the coconut milk. I really like coconut malt. I do some coconut yogurt. I love the way coconut yogurt is so creamy. I like a chia pudding that's not too thick. Like I like it to be a little runny. So mixing this all together. Okay, I'm gonna add this Crown vanilla maple syrup to sweeten it naturally. I'm going to make our matcha. I'm just using my Matchaful ceremonial matcha. Pour it into my chia base. You're going to need chia seeds now, so I just pour chia in. After about 20 minutes, this is what it looks like. It's so perfect, and I'm going to start getting it ready to serve. I just showered and I put lotion on, and then I put my robe back on. I want to show you guys my lotion that I used that I love. I literally just mix vitamin E oil, you can do a blend or you can just do vitamin E. And I mixed it with the Salt and Stone saffron and cedar. This one smells really nice and it complements a lot of my fragrances. So I mixed the two of these together and it just leaves your skin so glowy and soft. I do feel like that one just gives you a deeper hydration. And then before I do my skincare, which my skin is amazing right now, I have been doing a really good skincare routine. Oh, let me show you also my deodorant. I just use this. I've been using this forever. It's a natural deodorant that works incredibly well. It's the Cosa Sport. It's so good, and it's like a little roller ball. It's a little wet when you first put it on, but it dries down in 30 seconds. I use this face wash every single morning and night. It's from IS Clinical. It keeps my skin healthy, clear. It deeply clears, resurfaces, just does all the things that you would want your face wash to do. So I use this all the time. And then I usually do my Biologique Recherche P50, but I'm gonna do a red light mask. I've been red light masking pretty much every single morning, and it makes the world of a difference. I will literally just put the red light mask on. I'll do legs up on the wall, or I will read a book, and it's just like the best thing. I feel like it really helps with my skin. The combination of that and my medical grade skincare, I feel like, has just done wonders for my skin. Okay, we have to pick out some pajamas. I don't know what I want to wear right now, but I'm freezing and I'm in a robe, so I'm gonna pick out some PJs to wear. I do need to organize this. I feel like it's a little messy, but it's okay. I'm gonna pick something out from here. Like I said, no idea what I'm gonna wear, but okay, we're gonna do an under eye mask because I look tired. I just feel like I look like I need a little something. So we're going to do an under eye mask. I woke up like 5 times in my sleep last night. I could not stop waking up. I was feeling nauseous. It was really weird. I'm gonna do my under eye mask. You should refrigerate your under eye masks because it will help with like depuffing, and it's just 10 times better that way. So I'm going to do a glass of this. It also has lots of ginger in it, which is amazing for you. I really, truly believe in the benefits of having fresh juice, but buying a ready-made juice, those are not the same as doing this. That applies to the shots too that they have. So if you can fresh press or go to a juice bar that fresh presses everything for you, you are just much better off. Like when you go to certain places where they have the prepackaged juice, you're not really getting nutrients from that. While I have my eye masks on, I like to just extra ice roll. Do the other side. I'm gonna finish this and then I'm going to write in my planner and do some work. Okay, I am getting ready. My best friend is coming over right now and we are surprising our friend for dinner for her birthday. I'm very excited to surprise her and I'm just getting ready really quickly. I did like a Dyson blowout, which is just, I feel like it looks so good on clean, fresh hair. I'm just doing a little lip stain and letting that sit. It's like a really pretty rainy day. Well, I don't know about really pretty. There's like flood warnings, so I don't know about really pretty, but can't wait to wear boots and like a chic coat. That's just so much fun to do when it's a rainy day. Okay, I just put my hair back. Gonna do some makeup. I really don't know what look I'm going for today. I just want something quick and natural. I'm also on day 1 of my period and I am not feeling good. I'm not on my period. I think all women experience this, or like in certain phases of your cycle, you just don't feel like yourself, you don't feel good. So the exposure is really bright right now. Okay, I turned the exposure down, but sometimes on these days you just don't feel your best, which is totally fine. My best friend is coming over and my cat, I don't know why, has like a sensitivity to my best friend. She will hiss at her and I just said to her, I said, your best friend is coming over. Guess who's coming over? She meowed so loud, freaked out, ran away from me. I think she knew who I was talking about, but okay guys, I just got ready and my hair is like blown out straight. I'm not used to this. Donya is here. Come say hi. Your guys' favorite, because I always get DMs saying that you miss her, so here she is. We're planning our outfits. Do you want to show them what you're wearing? Because I have to match her outfit.
My closet here.
She did. Wait, I'm gonna move them so they can see.
So I'm going to wear these leather shorts from Zara with some tights and then just this black basic bodysuit, and then I'm wearing this leather coat over it with my boots.
That's really cute. Yeah, can you show them the boots?
I bought these last year and I think I wore it once.
They're so chic.
I know.
I'm upset. They look expensive.
This is the one you wanted to buy from Steve Madden and you didn't get it. It's the same one.
Remember I told you I bought it and
they're
really pretty. I like them.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah, and I think Sabrina's gonna be doing something very similar because we're gonna be twinning.
I'm gonna wear something like that. The same vibe. but we'll see. Because I want to be comfy. Okay, picking out an outfit. I'm basing my outfit on this like one belted trench coat that I have. Okay, this is our little OOTDs. Do you want to share what you're wearing?
I already did.
Oh yeah, you already
This is
did.
what it looks like.
Very cute on, and then I'm wearing this coat. I always wear chocolate brown tights. They're so flattering and I like them more than black. They're just my favorite. And then I'm wearing these boots, a little bag, and a little belted coat, skirt. I will link as much as I can for both of our outfits, but so cute. I love rainy day fashion. Okay, we're in the car. We are going to dinner. We're going to this place called Osteria Mozza. I hope I'm saying that right, but it's Italian food and I'm so hungry. I literally feel like I'm gonna pass out. So very exciting. I've been wanting to try this restaurant. It's on my like list of places that I want to try and haven't tried yet. And I forgot to tell you guys how I ended the night, but sorry, I can barely move my face. I'm going to link this face mask because one of my like favorite beauty hacks in the whole world is these masks that soak into your face and they turn clear. I just think that they're really, one, priced well. Two, I love that the ingredients are better for you. There are two that I use. This is my current favorite, so I will link it. I literally sleep with it on. Like I get into bed and it'll kind of melt into my skin for about 30 minutes and then I will sleep with it on and I will wake up with the most insane skin. And I'm literally going to wear this the night before my wedding. Like that's how obsessed I am. I love the way it makes your skin glow. I know I look crazy right now, but it's my favorite and I love the way that it's very accessible. Like I'm recommending something to you guys that really, it's not only accessible, but it's such an incredible product and it makes me happy that you guys can all order this on Amazon straight to your door and it's like an at-home facial. So I do this and there are extra pieces that I put under my eyes and they kind of slip and slide around, but that's fine. I'm just trying to get as much hydration as I can. So I do this, I read, or in this case, I edit because I'm behind on life. I always like to do a peppermint tea before bed as well, and I will link my favorite peppermint tea